In this video, I am going to talk about note making. At first, let us have a look at introduction of the note making. Note making is an advanced writing skill. It is used to write down the key points of written material in order to use them at a later date. This is more serious and organized method of recording notes than note taking. Notes are taken down rapidly so that they may lack proper planning and structure. Note taking is usually followed by note making, where you put some time to put them in a proper sequence and preserve them for future purpose. Note taking is more suitable while listening to lectures, presentations, or for a meeting, whereas note making is more appropriate for written text. Now let us have a look at the necessity of note making. You know very well that knowledge is unlimited, whereas our memory is very limited, so that we cannot remember all the information all the time. For this reason, we have to know that note making is necessary. At the time of examinations, it is not possible to go through a great number of books. At such critical times, notes are very useful, so that note making fulfills three useful functions. First one, it keeps a lot of information at our disposal for ready reference. It helps us reconstruct what was said or written so that you can speed the process of remembering and recalling. It comes in handy in delivering a speech, participation in a debate, writing an essay, and revising lessons before an examination. Let us try to understand how note making helps us. While making notes, we don't simply read the passage or listen to speech, but we should consider various points made by the writer or speaker. Let us see the characteristics of good notes. First one, good notes must be short and concise. Second one, they must contain all the important information. Third one, they must be presented in a logical way. Fourth one, they should be understandable. Let us see how to make a notes. While making a notes, read the passage carefully and thoroughly. While reading the passage, underline the key sentences. Make a rough note of the main points and give them a logical sequence. Use any format you like, but it should depend on the theme of the passage. While making a notes, you should remember some points. There, the notes should be short and to the point. They should have all the important and relevant information. Information should be systematically divided and subdivided. Use universally recognized symbols and abbreviations. Main title should be short. Notes must be written in points only, and they should be listed one under the other and numbered properly. Mechanics of note making means the details of note making. While making a notes, you should follow a certain standard practices. They are heading and subheadings, abbreviation and symbols, note form, numbering and indentation. Let us see one by one all the four parts of a notes. First one, headings and subheadings. The heading reflects the main theme, whereas the subheadings point out how it has been developed. The selection of proper heading and subheading reveals the grasp of the passage by the students. In the absence of proper assimilation of main ideas and subsidiary points, it is impossible to make a notes. Second part, abbreviations and symbols. These symbols and abbreviations are used for precision and economy of words, so that these are very helpful in note making. At least 4 recognizable abbreviations are to be used in note making. And you are given some symbols. While making a note, you should do the symbols which are in relation to universal symbols or mathematical symbols, and try to understand what are universal symbols and mathematical symbols with the help of this slide. Please have a look at. Coming to abbreviations, abbreviations can be divided into 3 groups: acronyms, contractions, short forms. Let us see acronyms at first. Acronyms. Acronyms are made from the phrases by taking all the capital initial letters. For example, CBSE is an acronym, and it is made from a phrase Central Board of Secondary Education. In the phrase Central Board of Secondary Education, all the capital initial letters are taken to form acronyms. In the same manner, rest of the acronyms. Let us see what is a contraction. Contraction means is a kind of abbreviation that is made from a word by taking the first few letters. For example, CAPT, cap, and it is from a word captain. CAPT, the letters are the beginning few letters from the word captain. In the same manner, rest of the contractions. Short forms. Short forms are another type of abbreviations. Short forms are made from a word, especially taking first and last letters. For example, BK. BK is a short form that is made from a word, book. In the same manner, rest of the short forms. While using abbreviations and symbols in relation to note making, you should be cautious of a full stop. First point, often a full stop is put after an abbreviation which does not end with the last letter of the word. Second one, the abbreviations that end with the last letter of the word don't require any full stop at the end. And the following are some examples: gout, miss, doctor, 10th. Do you understand where to use and where not to use a full stop? Note form. While making notes, the whole information is listed in note form in points only. Notes should be written in complete sentences, as we can't remember the whole information. So, only the main points are listed one under the other and numbered. It implies the logical division and subdivision of the listed information by using figures, letters, dashes and spaces. And the last and final part of mechanics of note making: numbering and indentation. Numbering means using numbers like 1, 2, 3, whereas indentation means leaving space at the beginning of a line of print or writing. I am repeating. Indentation means leaving space at the beginning of a sentence or a line of writing. First write the title and then write down the notes in a logical order. From the main headings to the subheadings, the numbering should be spaced a little to the right side, and it is an example of indentation. Have a look at. Main sections are indicated by 1, 2, 3, 4. Subsections small a, small b, small c. Subsections Roman small Roman number 1, 2, 3. See the format regarding indentation. And it is another format of indentation. And it is the format of note making. And with the help of above information, you are given this format, and this format should be followed by a title. So in this format we have subtitles, subpoints, subpoints, and with the help of this format you are going to be given some examples. Then you can clearly understand that what is a note making. And don't think that it is only one format of note making, and we have so many other note making formats. But as it is very suitable for a student and it is given to them. Thank you.